going to show the lathe that I use and talk about it a little bit. It's a Craftsman 618, 6-inch swing, 18 inches between centers. I inherited it from my grandfather, and I think he got it in the late 50s or early 60s, so it's over 50 years old. Has a Morse taper number 2 for the headstock and a Morse taper number 1 for the tail. Has change gears so it'll cut threads. I had a 1/3 horsepower motor and I switched it out to a 3/4 horse. The problem I was having was that the new motor sat too high and came up and hit the jack shaft, so I made these wooden spacers and brought the whole lathe up to make room. Got a couple of A-belt pulleys with an adjustable link belt. It has back gears and it has 8 different speeds. This is the fastest speed that the lathe has. And I'll engage the back gears. This will be the slowest speed. Down below I have some chucks and tooling and some material stock. I have some rounds from this is 12L14. I get this stuff online. The machine's really nice. I have a couple of chucks. These are fairly inexpensive chucks. I got them from Grizzly, and I made the backing plates for them. Here's some tool posts that I made up. Here's a little homemade steady rest. This is aluminum. I get all this stuff online. Back here I got some brass and some stainless and Delron. And down below I have some scrap bins. I have some lathe projects coming up, so I'll be posting videos on them. So until next time, thanks for watching.